Class 12 student, you see this L'Hospital theorem sum I have done here. This is second exercise. Limit x tends to infinity x cube by e to the power x. If you put infinity here, infinity cube, that is infinity, e to the power infinity, that is also infinity. So infinity by infinity form. So we have to apply L'Hospital theorem. That means you differentiate numerator here, x cube differentiation 3x square, and e to the power x differentiation e to the power x. Again if you put, it is coming infinity by infinity form. Again differentiate, then it is coming 6x by e to the power x. This is x square differentiation 2x, so 2 3 is 6x. Infinity by infinity form. Now put infinity here, e to the power infinity value is infinity, 6 by infinity is 0. It is done different way, e to the power infinity, that is 1 by 0, 0 going up, 0 by something, that is 0. This is also correct, but direct from here you can write this is equal to 0, because 6 by infinity is 0. This one I am not explaining, you can understand yourself. This one you see, if you put infinity, it is coming infinity by infinity form. Then you differentiate, this is here, this is here. This differentiation I do not need to explain, I think you can do it. Then if you divide by x, here you see x cut 3 by x, x cut 5 into 1 by x. Now limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So you put here 0, 0. So it is coming only 4 by 12. So that is 1 by 3 answer. This one you see, if you put x equal to pi by 2 here, 3 pi by 2, that is 3 into 90 degree, it will come infinity. This one also 10 90 degree infinity. So infinity by infinity form. So you, oh, it is just breakdown 10 to sine by cos and 10 to sine by cos. Then here you see, if you put x equal to pi by 2, then sine 90 into 3 into 90 and cos 3 into cos 90, that is cos 90 0, so 0 by 0 form. That's why you apply L'Hospital theorem. That means here u into v differentiation, here u into v differentiation, here u ddx of v plus v ddx of u, sin 3x differentiation cos 3x, and 3x differentiation 3, that is come front. Here on to also u into v differentiation. Then here you put the value, see x value pi by 2, you put there in place of x and calculate the value. This one, it is see, base and power both are variables, so you have to take logarithm. So this is considered as a. After that, logarithm taken. Then this 2x, it is in the power, so it will come front. 2x log x. This x is taken down as x to the power minus 1. Why it is taken down? Because to make infinity by infinity form. If it is this, then we can differentiate. That means we can apply L'Hospital theorem. So log x differentiation 1 by x and x to the power minus 1 differentiation is this. It is coming minus 2x. Now you put x equal to 0 here. So minus 2 into 0 means 0. So this one, log a base e equal to 0. Now if you remove log, then 0 will jump here, a will jump there. So e to the power 0 equal to a, that means a equal to e to the power 0. Now something to the power 0 means 1. Now what is the value of a? The value of a is this one we consider. Value of a, this one. So put it there, we will get answer. This one you do, this one let me explain. This y equal to this one considered. Now if you take log, then log y equal to, if you take log here, then this 2 tan x will jump and come front. Then tan means 1 by cot, to make it 0 by 0 form. Since it is 0 by 0 form, so L'Hospital theorem apply. this one differentiation, and cot x differentiation is minus cos x square x. Again simplify here, because cos x square means 1 by sin square, and this sin x, 1 sin x will cut, so sin will go up, 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. Now if you put x value 0, that is sin 0 0, that means you are getting 0. So if you remove this, actually it is e to the y base e. If you remove log, then 0 will come and y will go that side, y equal to e to the power 0. So e to the power 0 means 1. Now put the value of y here. You consider y, this value y you put here, the answer is coming. This sum, you see, it is very big sum. You can understand, I think. This sec means 1 by cos, tan means sin by cos. If you take LCM, then 1 minus sin by cos. Now 1 minus sin, here you see, if you put pi by 2, sin 90 is 1, so 1 minus 1 0, cos 90 0, 0 by 0 form. Now you differentiate 1 differentiation 0, sin differentiation cos x, and cos x differentiation is sin x. Now you put x equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2, sin pi by 2, that is 0 by 1, that is 0 answer. This one you do. Here base and power both are variables, so you have to take logarithm. That's why you consider this is equal to y. Then take log y equal to this 1 by x will jump and come front. So it is coming this 0 by 0 form. Because if you put 1 here, value of x, then log 1 0, and here 1 minus 1 0. Now differentiation, log x is 1 by x and 1 minus x, here differentiation. Now see this one, if you put x value 1, it is coming minus 1. Here base is e, so minus 1 will jump here and y will go there, when log will, that time log will be removed. So y equal to e to the power minus 1, that is 1 by e. See here, y is 1 by e. This one you do. This one same thing. You consider this equal to y, then take logarithm, cot will jump here, cot means 1 by tan, it is 0 by 0 form, so differentiate, log means 1 by x into sin cos differentiation minus sin, this tan square, that is 2 tan x into tan differentiation x square is, then simplify, then put x equal to 0, it is coming this. Now this here base is e, so e to the power minus half, this will come front, y will go there, so y equal to e to the power minus half. So that is the answer. This one also you see, you have to take log, so you consider y equal to this. If you take log, then log y equal to cot will come front, log 1 plus sin x, then cot means 1 by tan, the 0 by 0 form, so you apply L'Hospital theorem, that means differentiation. Log means 1 by this into sin differentiation cos, and tan differentiation sec square. Now sec means 1 by cos, it will go above, so cos cube by 1 plus sin x. Now put the value, it is 1. So log y equal to 1, here base is e, so 1 will jump, y will jump, so e to the power 1 equal to y, that means this is the answer. You do this one.